السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. ازيكم يا فورم 2؟ عاملين ايه؟ وحشتوني جدا جدا جدا. Okay, now we're gonna take a new lesson. It's about add or subtract, which means that we will have stories and we want to know on these stories, will we add or subtract? Let's see. Before we start, we have here a small quiz. Question number 1 says double these numbers. Question number 2, complete the multiplications. Question number 3, write the missing numbers. I think you can do it now. Please pause the video, try to answer by yourself, then play the video and check your answers with me. Now, have you finished? Okay, let's see how to get the answers. Here, question number 1, double these numbers. Letter A, double 8. How can I get double 8? Yes, we have many ways to get double 8. The first way, yeah, mister, you are saying double 8, which means 8 and 8. So I'll draw 8 circles. Then I'll draw another 8. Then I'm gonna count all the circles now. When you count all of them, you're gonna find that they are 16. So the answer will be 16. Or double 8, it's 8 plus 8. So you can count after 8 times. Or, yeah, mister, it's 8 plus 8. Which means it's 2 times 8. We have 8 and 8, so it's 2 times 8. It's in table 2. You can put 8 fingers and sing table 2. You're gonna find on the 3 ways, the answer will be 16. Now, in letter B, double 43. So we will take one by one, starting from tens or units. Units, excellent. So here, double 3, 6, excellent. Double 4, 4 and 4 equals 8. So now I can say that double 43 equal 86. So I'll write here 86. Now, question number 2. Complete. Letter A says 3 times 7. Put 7 fingers and sing table 3. 3, 6 and 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So the answer will be 21. Now table 4. 4 times 6. So put 6 fingers and sing table 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So the answer will be 24. Excellent. Now, question number 3. Write the missing numbers. Letter A. Do we have any 2 numbers in a row? Yes, we have 3 and 6. So, what happened from 3 to 6? Did I add or subtract? I add. Excellent. Now, add what? How many do I have to add to 3 to get 6? Okay. Count after 3 in your fingers to get 6. After 3, 4, 5, 6. So I counted 3 times. So every time I'll add 3. Every time I'll add 3. So it's like counting by 3. So 6 plus 3, count 7, 8, 9. The answer will be 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12. After 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's check. After 15, 16, 17, 18. Excellent. So we are correct. Here, letter B. Do you have 2 numbers in a row? Yes, I have 4 and 6. So what happened to 4 to get 6? Excellent. Count after 4 to get 6. So count in your fingers. After 4, 5, 6. So you count it only 2. So every time I'll add 2. Every time I'll add 2. But mister, we have a number before 4. How can I do it? As I said, now if I'm moving forward, I'll add. So when I move backwards, I'll subtract. Excellent. So subtract 4 minus 2. I think it's easy. You can put 4 fingers and drop down 2. How many left? 2. Or you can count before 4 another 2. So before 4, 3, 2. Now I want the number after 6. Now we are gonna add 2. Now 6 plus 2. Count after 6 2 times. After 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. After 8, 9, 10. After 10, 11, 12. Did you get it right? Did you get all of them right? Excellent. You're super. Now, let's get our first story here. Our story here says, before I start, when I have a story, you have to read it carefully. You have to read it carefully and imagine the story. Imagine it, okay? And read the story part with part, not all of it, okay? Part with part. Here he said, I have 4 pencils. So now I have 4 pencils. Jack has 7 pencils. So there's me and Jack. There's me and Jack. Okay, I'll draw me. This is me and this is Jack. I have 4 pencils. Okay, let's draw 4 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means that I have 4 pencils. Now Jack has 7 pencils. Okay, let's draw 7 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have here 7. So I have 4 and Jack has 7. How many pencils do Jack and I have all together? Okay. Now he wants to know all the pencils all together. The pencils all together. When I say all together, is it add or subtract? Huh? Excellent. When I say all together, he wants all the pencils. How can I get all the pencils? By add or subtract? By add. Excellent. So I put plus between 4 and 7. I put plus between 4 and 7. 4 plus 7 equal, I think it's easy. Start with the biggest number, put the smaller number in your fingers, and count after the bigger number. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer will be 11. Excellent. Did you get it now? I think it's easy. You have to imagine the story. Now, let's take another one. In your supporting material, it says a squirrel has 9 nuts. Okay, I have 9. Or the squirrel now has 9. He finds 8 more. Okay, there is another 8. How many nuts does he have now? Okay, he wants to know all the nuts that he has now. He said he has 9. Then he finds 8 more. When I say more, is it add or subtract? When I say more, is it add or subtract? Excellent, it's add. So I put plus between 9 and 7. Now it's 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 equals what? I think it's easy. Put the bigger number in your mind and the smaller number in your fingers. Put 8 in your fingers. Now count after 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the answer will be 17. Very good. Did you get it now? Okay, please try to answer this one by yourself. The question says there are 9 bees in the hive. 4 more fly in. How many bees are in the hive in all? Please pause the video, try to answer by yourself, then play the video and check your answers. Have you finished? Okay, let's see. Okay, mister, let's read our story again. There are 9 bees. Okay, write 9. 4 more fly in. So I have 4. And this time he said more. And he asked here how many bees are in the hive in all. In all. When I say in all, it's like more. He wants all of them. In all means that he wants all of the bees or all of them. So when I say more or in all, is it plus or minus? Excellent. It's plus, yeah, mister. It's addition. Okay, put plus between 9 and 4. Now, it's 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 equal what? Can you tell me? Excellent. It will be 13. I'll start with 9 and count another 4. I'll count forward after 9, another 4. Excellent. Now, let's take story number 4. Dad gives Max 6 treats. I give him 7 treats. How many treats did Max get? Please pause the video, try to answer by yourself, then play the video and check your answers. Have you finished? Okay, let's see. Again, Dad gives Max 6 treats, so we have 6. I also give him 7 treats, so there is 7. How many treats did Max get? Okay, we can say that Max got 6 at first, then he got also 7. Or I say Dad gave Max 6 and I give 7. So Dad gives and I give. We both give Max. So I'll count all of them, right? He said here, how many treats did Max get? He got 7 and 6 and 7. He got both of them. So will I add or subtract? Excellent. I'll add. So put plus sign here. 6 plus 7 equal, we start with the bigger number and count another 6. 13. Excellent. Did you get it now? Okay. Here we have another story. Said here, solve each problem. The first one, we have here some leaves. And he asked me, the first one here, how many leaves on the ground? How many leaves on the ground? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 right here, 4. 4 leaves on the ground. Now, how many leaves falling? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 leaves falling. Now, how many leaves in all? When I say in all, is it plus or minus? Is it add or subtract? Excellent. It's add. So I write here plus. because he said here in all. He wants all of them. So I'll add 4 plus 3 to get all of them. 4 plus 3, you can count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer will be 7. Or you can say that I'll put 4 in my mind and 3 fingers. Count after 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. Can you do this one by yourself? Pause the video, answer, play the video and check your answers. Have you finished? Okay, let's see. Here, he said, how many fish by a rock? How many fish by a rock here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4. How many more fish coming? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have another 4. How many fish in all? When I say in all, it's plus. When I say in all, it's plus. 4 plus 4 equal what? I think it's easy. Put 4 fingers and put another 4. It's like double 4. Double 4, we just said it's 8. Excellent. So this is 4 plus 4, or double 4, which means that I have 4 and 4, or 4 times 2. I have 4 and 4. All of them will equal 8. Excellent. Now, we have another one. A different one. Here he started with how many balls? How many balls in all? When I say in all, excellent. He wants all of them. He wants all of them. Okay, let's see. How many all the balls here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 balls in all. And he told me how many balls falling. Okay, let's count how many fall here. 1, 2, 3. We have 3. How many balls not falling? Okay, wait a minute. You said at the first here, at the start, I have 6. So all of them are 6. 3 of them falling. When they fall, I want to know how many not falling. So will I add? No. I'll subtract. Excellent. Why I'll subtract here? Because, yeah, mister, you said all of them are 6. 3 of them are falling. When I say falling, they were gone away. They will not be with us anymore. So, how can I say it? It will be subtract or add? Excellent. We will subtract. When they go away, I will subtract how many they will go away. So, all of them are 6. I will take away 3. I will take away 3 because they are falling. So it's 6 minus 3. Now, how many left here? How many not falling? 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be 3. Or, yeah, mister, it's 6 minus 3. Put 6 fingers. 3 of them are falling. Okay, drop down 3. Now, how many left? 3. Excellent. Now, let's take another one. How many pencils in all? How many pencils taken? How many pencils not taken? Can you do it by yourself? I think that. Okay. Pause the video, try to answer. Play the video, check your answers. Have you finished? Excellent. Now, let's see. He said here, how many pencils in all? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 pencils. All of them are 5. How many pencils taken? 1, 2. I took away 2. I took away 2. When I say I took away, so is it plus or minus? It's minus. I took them away. So I will subtract them. It's minus. Okay, 5 minus 2. You can count from the picture here, or you can put 5 fingers, take away 2, drop down 2 fingers. How many left? How many fingers left here? 3. Excellent. or you can count back from 5 2 times. Before 5, 4, 3. So the answer will be 3 2. Did you get it now? Yes, I hope so. Now, your homework will be the rest of the questions in your supporting sheet or supporting material. If you have any question on any of them, you can ask me anytime. I think the first page here, he wants you to count how many in the first group and how many in the second group, then how many in all. And when I say in all, will I add them or subtract them? It's up to you. Excellent. In all, so I'll add them. I'll add them. So the first number plus the second number. Here, I think they are the same. The first one here, how many pencils in a box? He said here 6. How many more pencils? More, the word more. How many more pencils? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5. So when I say more, is it plus or minus? It's plus. So I'll add 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 equal how many pencils in all? I'll count all of them. 11. Excellent. You can do the rest by yourself. Here, like the first example we took in our video for today. He wrote here, I have 4, so he wrote 4. And here I have 5, so he wrote 5. And he wants to know, I'll put plus or minus between them. He said here, how many bats or baseball bats in all? How many in all? In all, plus or minus? Plus. So he put here between 4 and 5 plus. So it's 4 plus 5 equal 9. Now I have 12 feathers. I have 12 feathers. So he wrote 12. And he crossed out 3. He crossed out 3 feathers. And he asked, how many feathers are left? When I say left, are left, when I say left, is it add or subtract? Excellent. It's subtract. How many left? It's subtract. So I'll put plus or minus between 12 and 3. Excellent. I'll put minus. So it will be, I have all of them 12. I took away 3. So it's minus 3. So how many left? I can count the other feathers here. Or 12 minus 3. Okay. I can't put 12 in my fingers. Okay. Put 3 fingers and count before 12. So I'll count back from 12. Before 12, 11, 10, 9. Excellent. So before 12, I'll count back 3 times. Before 12, 11, 10, 9. So I'll write here 9. You can do the same with the rest of the question here. Okay? Deal? Okay, thank you. I hope you understood my lesson today. If you have any question, just tell me anytime. Thank you. Goodbye.